added little salt to the rice, red rice, and I will roast it now. And this is almost done. That time I'll put kaju, little vanilla elaichi, and little til just before remaining, because that will hardly take any time to roast. And then I'll grind it. This roasting takes a lot of time, so about 20 minutes, medium slow, and now I think it's almost done because I tasted one rice, so it's become crisp. And I'm going to add this til, little black pepper I liked last time when I ate, and then this much of cashews I'm going to put here, and this cashew and little raisin I'm going to roast in little ghee. Now I have put off the gas. I think in this heat it will roast properly. I'm going to keep it to cool, and then I will grind this, and in the pak of that jaggery and coconut I'm going to add this. I'll roast this and raisins and add that. So I have added a little water and then the jaggery, and it's been about 10 minutes now. I don't want it very hard. The laddus shouldn't be so hard. So what I've done is, when it becomes sticky in between your fingers, I'm just going to do it another 2 minutes after that. So it should become sticky, not like watery but little sticky, and keep the gas on slow after that, because otherwise it will caramelize and become bitter. And the most important thing is, this powder should become really fine in the sense it is still coarse, but you have to eat a little bit and see with your last teeth, not in the front teeth. Last teeth you bite and see, and if you're comfortable with that, then you add it to the mixture. Otherwise, last time when I made it become very hard. These grains have to be really be fine, finer than rava. So it has to be comfortable when you're eating. That is very important. And this, I don't need much pak, like one string or something, because I want it to be a little soft. So now to this I'm going to add the coconut. It was in the freezer. It had to be actually thawed a little bit more, but I'm not going to keep this laddu for a long time. It's going to get over in no time, so it's okay. And then I added the fried, little sorted in ghee, the raisins and the cashew nuts, and I'm going to mix this for another 5 minutes on high flame. Of course I'm going to be here only, and keep stirring it, and then I will add this powder and make small laddus.